Well, here we go again, folks.
Don't put me in the bait.
Here we go, folks. It's snowing again. What's the day? February something, Ninth. Oh, let me see if I can get the door to open.
Oh, shit. Bubba's out.
Bubba's out. Come on, let's go.
Come on, Goody.
It's snowing a little bit. She's a little bit deep. There's the end she's going to try to go across the street here. Taking some biscuits over there to the neighbor. It's a little bit snow, a little bit deep out here, youngin'. Making yeller stains in the snow. Uh-oh, she went up here deep. It's a little bit snowy today. Yes, sir. A little cold out here. I got this flag. It's 3 feet. We're gonna see how deep it gets. Can you make it? Yeah. Let's see how it's froze solid right there. You can't get to go through where it's froze solid. Oh, it's froze solid there, youngin'. Out of money. My feet's cold. It's deep out here. Yes, sir. It's colder and shit out here, and I'm getting back in the house. Well, we got drifts up to the damn window. It's too damn cold for my ass. There's the only tracks you got out here. Get on, dog. It's colder than hell out here. Yes, sir. That's the way it is out here in Newkirk. I'm going in, bye.